Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with dates in Power BI and want to quickly analyze your data by days of the week or week numbers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to transform your date field into both day names and week numbers using Power Query Editor in Power BI Desktop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a much clearer way to break down your sales, orders, or any time-based data right inside Power BI. Let's jump into it. Imagine you've got a simple sales table with columns for order ID, order date, and sales. Maybe your data looks something like this. There's an order from the 5th of January, another from the 10th, and so on. Now suppose you want to understand patterns, like which days of the week bring in more orders or which weeks are best for sales. For that, we'll add new columns for day name and week number. First, let's open the Power Query Editor. From your Power BI Desktop window, look at the ribbon at the top. Just head over to the Home tab and click on Transform Data, then again on Transform Data in the dropdown. This brings up the Power Query Editor, which is where all your data shaping and magic happens. If this is your first time here, don't worry. It might seem a bit overwhelming, but it's actually the best place to prep your data exactly the way you want. Now to create a day name column, basically a column that tells you if the order was placed on a Monday, Tuesday, or any day of the week. Start by selecting your order date column in the table view. With it selected, go to the menu at the top and find the Add Column tab. Hover over Date, then move over to Day, and finally click on Name of Day. Give it a second and you'll see a brand new column pop up with values like Thursday, Tuesday, or Wednesday corresponding to each order date. This is really useful. Now you can group or filter your sales by the day of the week. For example, maybe you'll find out that your best orders come in on Fridays. If you don't see the day names instantly, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a brief moment for Power Query to process everything. Alright, next, let's add a column to show the week number for each date. This is especially handy if you want to chart your sales by week, spot busy periods, or roll up your data into weekly summaries. Again, select the order date column. Go to Add Column, then hover over Date, and this time select Week and then Week of Year. Power Query will add a column with numbers from 1 to 52. These correspond to the week of the year for each record. For instance, January 5th might show as week 1, while a date in February could be week 5 or 6, depending on the calendar year. This is a great way to compare activity across different time periods without getting lost in individual dates. Remember, at this point, you can rename your columns to something more meaningful like day name or week of year, and be sure to check that the generated values make sense for your specific dataset. That's all there is to it. By adding both day names and week numbers, you open up so many possibilities for deeper analysis and better insights in Power BI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions, whether it's about Power Query or anything else in Power BI. And of course, hit subscribe if you want to keep learning powerful data tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.